All right, guys, let's continue from where we stopped. Okay, so we changed the color of this moving average. It's not a big deal. Okay, so looking at this market, you can see that where the market is now, the market is currently at a structural level of Fibonacci 50% and the dynamic resistance of the moving average. Okay, of the 100 period moving average. So, and at these two levels, including the linear resistance of this trend line, the market has printed a candlestick pattern we call bearish engulfing pattern. And what I expect is the market will push down from there to the structure level. Okay. We can set a pending order here, guys. We can set a pending order here at this level. We can set a pending order at this level. Okay. We can set a pending order at this level. Okay, guys. I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so let me just delete that. Let's use the horizontal tool. Okay. Okay, let me reduce this. Let me reduce this. Let's change this to blue. All right. So we can set a pending order here. Okay, at this price level. Okay, we can put our stop loss somewhere here above the moving average. Okay, and we can set our target here. Okay. All right. So this gives me a good trade 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay. So I want this to be red. All right, as my stop loss, I want it to be red or any other color Let me use this color, okay, for the stop loss. This is my entry, okay, and this is my take profit. So let me change the color of the take profit. Guys, I hope you're understanding all this. I'm doing this for your sake so that you guys will know how to trade this market comfortably. I don't like the color. It's not coming out the way I want it. Let me choose another color. Let me choose another color here. What color am I going to choose? Can I choose this shade of blue? All right, let's choose that shade of blue. Fine, it's better. I prefer it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's how I want to annotate this chart. Okay, I'll set a pending order here. Okay, let me put it. Let me give it a dash line. It's a pending order. All right, let me put it a dash line. Okay, it's a pending order. All right, so guys, I'm saying that if this market push down further, I will enter a buy a sell trade, okay? Or I'll wait for this market to pull back to structure. From there it will come. Whatever way it plays out, okay? I'm looking for a sell opportunity in this market, okay? I'm only looking for a sell opportunity in this market, guys, okay? All right, so what are my confluence factors? I have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, I have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay. Uh, um, um, I have price at 50% Fibonacci level. I have price at 100 moving average dynamic resistance. Okay, so these are my confluence factors. Okay, so what do I do now? Let me continue to annotate this chart like this. Okay, so I say this is a Great British Pound. Okay, Swiss franc. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. All right, so I want it to be that size. I put it there. Okay, I drag it and put it here. I'm teaching us how to use all the tools that I'm teaching us how to use. So I'm repeating the same thing over again. I want you guys to learn how to use these tools. It's very, very important. So I say here that we're looking for a sell opportunity, looking for short a short trade opportunity. Okay, opportunity. Okay, I reduce it to 14. I think 14 is okay. All right. take it to 14. I place it here. Okay. So what else are we looking at for? What else are we looking at for? Um, so let's use the rectangle tool and let me teach you how to create a buy and sell structure like we have in trading view. Okay, like we have in trading view. So after drawing that, I will duplicate this. Control key, left click and duplicate it. Okay, duplicate it. Okay, I want to change this color to red, to a shade of red, to a shade of red. Okay, as my as a sell stop loss order price level. Okay, then this should be slightly up. Okay, all right, so that is the stop loss. Okay, here is the take profit. Take profit. I want this color for the take profit to be, I will choose any color. I want it to be light. This, okay. Okay, I want it to be light. Don't worry. I know what to do. I know what I want to achieve. I want it to be this light color. Okay. I say okay. All right. Um, not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. I want this to be. I want this to be um, light colored, lighter than it is there. Okay. Okay. All right. That's what I want. Okay. Is that okay? That is too light. Let me adjust it further. Come on, guys. You have to do this, to mark up your charts very well. Okay. You have to do this very well. Okay. So I have risk to reward ratio about 2 to 1, if not more than that. Okay. Okay. So um, what else do we have here? So what else can we do here? Okay. So the trade signals. Okay. Let's look at the trade signals that the confluences. Sorry, the trade confluences. Okay, that we have here. So what is the signal going to be? So let's put up the signal. This is going to be a sell stop order. So we're going to say stop, sell stop. Great British Pound. Okay, Swiss franc. Okay, at what price? We want to enter at this price at 1.0907. Okay, look at the price here. We're entering at this price. Okay, he said okay. All right, this is the first trade. This is the trade signal we're generating now. We're generating this trade signal. Okay. All right. So we duplicate this. Okay. We have to put our take profit and stop loss. So our stop loss is what price? Our stop loss is here. This is our stop loss, 1.0963. Okay. To 4 decimal places. Round it up to 4 decimal places. And our take profit TP is what? This is our take profit here, 1.0807. Okay, that's our TP. Okay, this is our TP. Okay, this is our TP. Okay, so guys, if this is our trade signal, okay, so I want to teach you guys now how to enter this trade. Okay, how to enter this particular trade call. Okay, sell stop Great British Pound share at this price This is your stop loss and this is your take profit. Okay, this is a pending order. All right. So I'm saying that if the price pushes down be at this to this price level, it should trigger what? It should trigger a sell trade for me. Okay, put the stop loss here and take profit here. Okay. All right, so guys, we're going to do that. So how do you calculate the we need to calculate the lot size that I want to enter this market with. Okay, so first of all, I want to know you need to calculate, look at your trade balance. Okay, you come here and click the terminal window. Okay, this is my account balance. I have $980, now over $980. Okay, so I need to calculate my lot size for this trade. Okay, so how do you calculate your lot size? Look at the parameters you need. Okay, look at the parameters you need. Okay, you need the number of pips from the entry to the stop loss. Okay, so how do you calculate that? You grab your crosshair, you drag it from here, from the entry price to the stop loss price. Okay, and you check the number of pips. The number of pips is what? Is 56 pips. Okay, so let me open a notepad. Okay, let me open a notepad. So your stop loss is what? Is 52. Is what? I can't remember again. So guys, let me repeat it again. So from here to here is what? Is 55 pips. Okay, 55 pips. You come and write it. 55 pips. These are information I need to generate my lot size from the lot size calculator. Okay, then my risk is going to be 1% of my account size. So the risk is going to be 1% of my account size. Okay, I'm going to use 1%. I don't want to risk more than 1%. Okay, what else? The account balance is what? The account balance is 980, so $980. Okay, $980. Okay, is my account size. Okay, just round it up to that figure. Okay, so to calculate the lot size I will use to enter this trade. Okay, you just come to your lot size calculator, baby pips. Okay, you just go to baby pips, just say position size calculator on baby pips. You just enter. You can copy this link. Okay, this link will bring you to the position size calculator. So what is your account currency type? Is USD. What's the account balance? The account balance, this is your account balance. You come here, you grab it, you control C to copy it, you control V to paste it here. Okay, your risk is 1%. Okay, you tap your stop loss pip is what? The stop loss pip is 55 pips. Okay, so you type 55 pips here. What's the currency part? Is pound. What's the currency pair? Is Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Okay, Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Okay, Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Great British Pound. You look for the currency pair. Great British Pound, Swiss franc. That's the currency pair. So what is the current USD Swiss franc ask price? Okay, to determine this, you come to MetaTrader 4. You come to your market watch. Okay, so they're asking us for the USD chef. Okay, USD chef ask price. Okay, so this is USD chef ask price. This is ask price. The ask price is 0.9023. 0.9023. Okay, 0.9023. Okay, so you put it here. You say calculate. Okay, so this is your lot size for this trade, 0.016. Okay, 0.016. That's what you are going to type in to MetaTrader 4. Okay, come here and put your lot size, Control V to paste it. Okay, so this is your lot size for this trade. So what you do here, you go to MetaTrader 4, you close, let me close all these windows, close these windows. Okay, you go to MetaTrader 4, you click on this button, new order. When you come here, you input the loss size here. This is 0.0161. That's the loss size. The stop loss is what? This is your stop loss. Your stop loss price is 1.0963. Okay. Your take profits is zero. Sorry, 1.0907. Okay. Now your market execution is a pending order. Is a pending order we're treating here. The pending order is a sell stop. You come here and select what? Sell stop order, okay? Sell stop order, okay? What price are you entering this sell stop? Is this price here, which is 1.0 what? 0907, okay? Okay. Um, okay. So that is it. Your take profit, this is your take profit. It should be 1.08. Sorry, this is 1.08. It's 1.0807. Okay, so this is correct. So these are all the parameters you have to enter in this window. You come and click your place. Okay, boom. So it has entered. The market has been executed. When you click the terminal window, you see that the market has already been placed. The pending order has already been placed. Look at the pending order. Okay. So guys, that is how you use your MT4 to place your pending sell stop order. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Until we see again, have a blessed day. Bye bye.